Hello. In a previous video, we talked about word building and blending sounds together to make words. In this video, we're going to talk about segmenting, which is kind of the opposite of that. It's so that children can sound out words, they'll be able to read them in their reading books, and when they're going on to write, they'll be able to spell the words as well. We do this by trying to break a word down into its individual sounds. So if I use the word pin, I'm going to use my hand and my fingers to break it down to work out how many sounds it's got. So I'll say the word first, pin. Then I'm going to slow it down, pin. And then I'm going to try and break it into its individual sounds. P, I, n. P, I, n. And we encourage the children to point to their fingers as they're saying those sounds too. From that, I've segmented the sounds into their individual sounds, and I know that there are 3 sounds, p, I, n. And I can use a board or some letters or flashcards at home or bits of paper to actually put those sounds together. So my first one was p, I, n. And then from here, to check that I've spelt it correctly, I can go back to use that blending technique that we practiced. P, 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 pin, pin. There we go. We've got our word pin. This is important when children are thinking up their own stories and writing their own words, but also when they're reading their reading books from school. So for example, I've got a word here, it's got 3 sounds, b, e, d, bed. And I can reverse that and push those sounds back together, b, e, d, bed. And that will help us with our reading too.